Chapter 2. Our Earth. You already know that our Earth is a planet, but it is different from other planets in certain ways. It is the only planet on which life exists. Let us know more about it. Earth, a unique planet. Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to have air and water. It is due to the presence of air and water that life exists here. It is the third planet from the Sun. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water and 1/4 of it is covered with land. It gets just the right amount of heat and light from the Sun to sustain life. Any closer to the Sun would make the Earth too hot, and any farther would make it too cold. Earth's atmosphere. Earth is covered by a layer of gases: nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. This layer is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful rays. We would not live if there were no oxygen to breathe in. Shape of the Earth. Long ago, people believed that the Earth was flat. They thought that they would fall off if they went too far in the same direction. Ferdinand Magellan was the first to prove that the Earth is round. In 1522, he and his sailors sailed from Spain on a long voyage on the ship Victoria. The ship sailed all the way around the world and reached the same point from where it had started. This clearly proved that the Earth is round like a ball. The pictures of the Earth taken by the astronauts from the space also prove that the Earth is round. Though the Earth looks like a ball, it is more like an orange, slightly flattened at the top and bottom. The top and bottom of the Earth are called poles. The North Pole at the top and the South Pole at the bottom. The horizon and the coast. Looking from a distance, the land and sky seem to meet, but in reality they do not meet. The place at which the land and sky appear to meet is called the horizon. But when we move closer to the horizon, it seems to move further away. Land and sea meet at the coast. If we stand on the coast and face the sea, it seems as if the water and the sky are meeting at a distance. However, this is not so. Land and water. The surface of the Earth consists of large land masses and huge water bodies. The large land masses are called continents and the huge water bodies are called oceans. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. Continents. The 7 continents from biggest to smallest in size are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent while Australia is the smallest one. Continents are further divided into smaller parts called countries. Do you know? India is a part of the continent of Asia. Oceans. The 5 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest, while the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Other water bodies. Seas are also large bodies of water, but they are smaller than oceans. Some of the important seas are the Mediterranean Sea, the Arabian Sea and the Baltic Sea. Rivers, lakes and ponds are some other smaller water bodies.